afternoon, people. Right now it is 10 to 12 in the afternoon. But bear with us because I'm going down these steps. But there's my little boss, and my other little boss. And there's the sign, state slot on the side of the footpath. So, there. And there's my little boss.
What?
There's you, little boss.
Talking Steve, man. I know, yeah.
And there's my other boss just talking away.
What is it?
So
Oh, straight over.
now I'm going back over, but little boss,
Aye.
can I please? So we'll be back shortly, guys, for another video, so stay tuned.
Alright, because I've got to come over and get me income support money straight out, okay?
Oh yeah, when you're in that, Dave can look after me.
What?
While you go and get income support money.
I've got to get it tomorrow because I don't get paid till tomorrow.
Yeah, me saying tomorrow while you're out.
No, it's just not tomorrow now because we're not probably going anywhere tomorrow other than like the post office in the park and stuff.
So welcome back to the channel, guys. So now we want to pass over the bridge. Very clear here, you people. Behind them two little mandingos.
Aye.
So is it that way, are they? Where?
Don't know what's going.
Right, we'll be back shortly for another video, people.